the remote control, how to use this remote control. This button here is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. This one next to it is the input. You select the input for you to select optical, USB. Now this button here is Bluetooth pair. The center one is pause and play button. Now you also have up and down button here, and also sideways. The sideways to the right is for you to skip forward. The sideways to the button here is for you to go backwards. The up and down is when you select channel level, use up and down to select the particular level you want. Now this button here is mute. This button here is for you to increase the volume. Push it up to increase the volume, push it down to decrease the volume. Now on the right side you also have button here is for subwoofer, for you to increase it or decrease it. This button here is information. This button here is tone control. When pressed the setting, the treble and bass are displayed in the sequence. Then use up and down to increase the treble or decrease the bass. And this button here is sound control button. When pressed the setting, audio sync, voice enhancement, you switch the voice enhancement and night mode on and off. So once you press this, then use up and down to select on or off. And the channel level, when pressed the setting, visual center level is displayed in sequence. The desired sequence can be adjusted using the up and down button. Now to switch this soundbar on, you just need to press the button here and it will show you hello D.in. Now you select Bluetooth and it's showing us BT pairing. So it's now in Bluetooth pairing, looking for available Bluetooth device. So once you press the Bluetooth pairing, then you need to go to your phone settings. So phone setting, go to connection, then and go to Bluetooth and devices. Switch Bluetooth on, and the Bluetooth is on. Now I need to scroll and look for this device. This device is Samsung Soundbar C4 series. Select on it and it's pairing. Bluetooth pair request, select pair, and it's connected. Once it's connected, if you look on the soundbar, it will show you that the soundbar is connected and connected for audio. So now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator.
I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me.
This is game. DTS Visual X. Standard. Surround. Game. This is standard. Surround. Treble. Treble plus 6. Bass.
I just wanna dance and lose control.
Bass plus 6.
Gonna Tokyo. My head's within the clouds. My body feels the pulse. My feet are saying wrong and wrong we one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight?
Thank you very much. Beautiful.